Thabo Msiya does confirm, listen to this one. Thabo Msiya does confirm that it was a 38 special. You didn't hear this. Let me repeat this. Thabo Msiya does confirm that it was a 38 special, not a 9mm. Don't get it twisted. Don't get yourself confused. He said, yes, he agreed, and I've got it on record, I've got a video here. He agreed that it was a 38. When did it become a 9mm? This is very interesting. We're talking about the case of Senzo Meyiwa here. We're talking about Masondo and Dlamini, who were in charge of the arrest of accused number 3, who was arrested for the Alexandra taxi boss. They took the gun for ballistic test. It comes back negative in all the cases, including Senzo Meyiwa case. Then you have Msiya, who confirmed that the gun used in the commission of the offense on the night that Senzo Meyiwa was killed was a 38 special. The question is, when did it change and it became about a 9mm? That no wonder what we've been hearing in court, ayihlangani at all. We are trying to take this and seeing things that are not existence because there was never an evidence that speaks to that. There was never an evidence of that nature. But we are trying by all means to create an impression that there is such an evidence that must be believed, to which the accused must be sentenced upon, just because other people have decided so. No, guys, no. We can't be killing people, other people's future and other people's children on the basis of something that is not even clear. We ourselves are not even clear about it, but we want other people. But man, it's so sad. But what I'm going to do, I am going to give you a video. The video that I'm going to give you is a video where during the cross-examination conducted by Advocate conducted by Advocate Tefo, Msiya agreed. So I'm about to give you this video. But before I can give you this video, there are a few things that I'm asking from you guys, and one of them is this. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, good people, because to subscribe it is free, to like the video it is free, to comment in the comment section below it is free of charge, to click the notification bell it is free of charge, to share this video it is free of charge, to watch this video until the end it is free of charge. Also, good people, come on, to watch the ads it's free of charge, and that's how you financially contribute to this YouTube channel. Speaking about financially contribution to the channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also use the super thanks button. In case you don't want to do that, guys, there is a way where you can use my media company banking details to donate to the channel, and you know what I'm saying, will bring you more, and also guys want to buy more equipment. So the power is in your hands. Please do the honorable thing as we proceed. Okay. So before we proceed, before I show you the video, which I'm about to show you now, I want you to listen to this evidence. And I want you to tell me what you think, what's your thought about it. The way I see it, I think of it differently. I honestly don't think the way this picture has been painted. But without wasting much of your time, take a look at there was a cross-examination that happened during the time of Advocate Tefo, and take a look at this.
Whether you believe it or not, but your observation is that if is there any other firearm used, or if is there any firearm used to shoot in that house, including the shooting of the deceased, according to your opinion or your observation, that should be a revolver.
I can agree with you, my lord.
Thank you. And furthermore, there is a statement, affidavit under oath of the leading investigating officer, Brigadier Kininda, who is the investigating officer of 636. He himself, in his affidavit, say, as per his investigation, observation, and the information that he got from the eyewitnesses, and further to that, the people who were in the house, they've attested that whoever was alleged perpetrator, intruder, entered there, he had a revolver. It's not me, it's not you, but it's the main man, the leading investigating officer, in his affidavit under oath, saying the firearm in the position of the intruder, which in this regard alleged to be my client, accused number 3, he had revolver. Do you have anything to comment?
No, I don't have anything to comment on.
Ukuthi ke umseshi noma ke umphenyi becala ke uGininda uthi yena ke naye uyavuma ukuthi kwakuyi revolver anginalutho engalusho.
And the witness, will come and testify.
Okay. You know what? Tell me something. Sifika kanjani la? Like, how did we get here? It's a question that I have. When has it become about the 9mm? Guys, I'm reminded of a verse in the Bible. It says, "You shall know the truth, and the truth shall set you free." Yabona, what we are seeing in the Senzo Meyiwa case, it's painful because we or others have decided that we are going to have fun and play with other people's lives as if it is nobody's business, as if it is as if nothing happens, as if like. But eating tool, let me just keep quiet. I'm gonna ask you a question. Now that we're done with Lieutenant Colonel Mangena, I want you to tell me when, according to you, has he presented an evidence that is convincing enough for you to even believe that yes, it was a 9mm? Has he ever produced such an evidence before you? Get into the comment section below. Tell me what you think about that. But I find it very, very, very weird. And I still don't believe. I mean, there are people who are languishing in jail for crying out loud. What do we say about them? They've got families, they've got loved ones who really loves them. And so I honestly don't understand. I really don't understand. Maybe you guys do, but today people are, the Major General wrote a letter where they checked and they found Ugutai, this gun is not linked anywhere. And then the people who arrested accused number 3 as well said the same thing. Then 360 U10. Hey guys, then we are expected to believe that as well. God, not me. Not me. Guys, not me. Me, I won't believe this.